Plastic. Plastic is a man-made material showing the property of plasticity and is made up of organic polymers. The structure of all plastics is not the same. Some have a linear structure, while some have a cross-linked or circular structure. Plastics are of two types: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics are plastics that become soft or melt when heated. They can be molded as per our wish. Examples of this type of plastic are polythene and PVC, that is, polyvinyl chloride. These plastics are used for manufacturing toys, combs, plates, balls, etc. Thermosetting plastics are plastics which once set in a given shape and solidified do not become soft on heating and cannot be molded a second time. This type of plastic is used in electric switches and coverings of handles of cookers. Let us study some more examples of thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. The most common thermoplastic is PVC or polyvinyl chloride. It is used in the manufacture of bottles, raincoats, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable insulation, furniture, ropes, and toys. Polystyrene, that is, PS, is used in the manufacture of thermo-insulating parts of electric appliances like refrigerators, gears of machines, toys, protective coverings like covers of CD and DVD, etc. Polyethylene, that is, PE, is used in the manufacture of milk bags, packing bags, and flexible garden pipes. Parts of loudspeakers and vehicles, ropes, mattresses, laboratory appliances, etc. are manufactured using polypropylene, that is, PP. Examples of thermosetting plastics are bakelite, melamine, polyurethane, and polyester. Cabinets of radios, TV, telephones, electric switches, toys, coverings of handles of cookers are all made of bakelite. Domestically useful items like cups and saucers, plates, trays, some spare parts of airplane engines, electric and sound insulating coverings, etc. are all made of melamine. Polyurethane is used in the manufacture of surfing board, small boats, furniture, seats of vehicles. Polyester, a type of thermosetting plastic, is used in the manufacture of fiberglass, toners of laser printers, textile industry, etc. Do you know? There are more than 2,000 different types of plastics. Polyacrylic, a special type of plastic, is used for manufacturing lenses and artificial teeth. Teflon, a type of plastic, is used for coating of vehicles. This protects the vehicles from scratches. Some types of plastic are used in assembling some parts of an airplane. Plastic is used extensively in the healthcare sector also. Surgical gloves, syringes, medicine packets are all made of plastic. We use vessels made of plastic for cooking food in the microwave oven. Why are plastics so popular? Plastics possess certain properties which make them materials of choice for all sorts of uses. Let us study the properties of plastics. Properties of plastic. Plastics are resistant are not easily affected by air, water, heat, humidity, etc. Therefore, plastic tanks can be used for storing chemicals. Plastics possess the property of plasticity, due to which they can be molded into any shape. Plastics are light in weight, strong and durable. They are easy to carry. Items of any color can be made from plastic. Due to all these properties, most of the domestically useful items are replaced by plastic. Another property possessed by plastic is that it does not decompose. In that case, are plastics safe for the environment? Let us find this out. Plastics and environment. Whenever we go to the vegetable market, we often get vegetables in plastic carry bags. They are easy to handle and can be used again and again. But what happens to those plastic carry bags? Those plastic bags are ultimately dumped along with the household garbage. Articles of plastic do not rot when they are thrown away after use. There are some materials that degrade naturally. They are called degradable materials. Materials which do not degrade naturally are called non-degradable materials. Plastic is a non-degradable material. Waste plastic articles keep accumulating in the surroundings and pollute the environment. Thus, plastics are not environment friendly. In fact, plastic can be called as an environment pollutant. Which measures can be taken to avoid this? Let us think about this. We should use things made up of degradable material instead of plastic. Cloth bags, jute bags, and paper bags are degradable. Different materials have different degradation periods. Vegetables degrade in 1 to 2 weeks. The degradation period of cotton cloth is 1 year. Wood takes about 10 to 15 years to undergo degradation, while plastics take thousands of years to undergo degradation. They are called non-degradable. Always remember, each responsible citizen should follow the 4R principle. The first R stands for reduce. Reduce is to make minimal use. This means buying things what you need. The next R stands for reuse. Reuse is to use things again. Shopping bags can be used again and again instead of throwing them away directly. Recycle is to use things after processing. Recycling has become a big industry. This includes plastic recycling, metal recycling, and paper recycling. The last R stands for recovery. Recovery refers to recovering resources from waste. For example, cattle dung can be used as manure. We can also contribute in protecting the environment by using things made of degradable materials instead of plastic. For shopping, we can use cloth bags or jute bags instead of plastic bags. Stainless steel containers, plates and bowls can be used instead of plastic ones. Stainless steel has a long life and is recyclable. Which material is used for wrapping glass or similar material during transport to prevent it from breaking? Yes, you are right. It is thermocol.